What's up, traders? Welcome back to Smartino FX, the channel where US-based traders come to trade smart, stay legal, and grow consistently. Today we're answering a big question. When is the best time to trade Forex if you live in the United States? Stick around, because knowing the right trading hours can make all the difference in your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our smart Forex content. Forex is a 24-hour market, but that doesn't mean you should trade all day. There are specific times when volume is higher, spreads are tighter, price moves more cleanly, and opportunities are more reliable. If you trade during the wrong hours, you're more likely to lose money, especially as a beginner. There are 4 key trading sessions in the Forex market. Sydney session opens at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Tokyo. Asian session opens at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. London session opens at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. New York session opens at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. These sessions often overlap, and that's when the market is most active. The best time to trade Forex in the US is during the London and New York session overlap, which runs from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Why this window? Highest trading volume, best price movement, tighter spreads, and more reliable setups. Best pairs during this time: EUR USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. No worries, you still have options. You can trade the early London session from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern, or you could trade Asian pairs like USD JPY during the Tokyo session between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern. You don't need to trade all day. Just focus on quality setups during high-volume hours. So, you really want to avoid trading during low-volume times. That means from about 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern, the market just slows down a lot. Also, Sunday evenings and Friday afternoons are known for lower liquidity and some pretty unpredictable moves. These hours often bring choppy action and honestly wider spreads. Each currency pair has its own sweet spot for trading. For EUR USD, the best time is from 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern. GBP USD is most active from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you like trading USD JPY, aim for 7 p.m. to 10 a.m. AUD USD is best between 7 p.m. and 2 a.m. And if you're trading ZAR USD, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. is your window. Focus on trading each pair when it's most active to increase your win rate. Here are a few final tips. Trade during overlap sessions, especially London and New York. Always use US-regulated brokers like Awanda, Forex.com, or IGUS. Make sure to backtest your strategy based on session behavior. And never skip risk management. Always use stop losses. Success in Forex trading is about timing, discipline, and consistency. Now you know the best time to trade Forex in the US. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Comment below and let us know. What time do you trade Forex and why? And don't forget to subscribe to Smartino FX for more US-based Forex tips, strategy videos, and smart trader content every week. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and trade responsibly.